Design professionals, known by their talent and their tools. Professional tools, creating first-class results. Professional designers demand the best and choose DraftSight, a 2D drafting and 3D design experience. Easy to learn, easy to use, so you can design faster. Whether you're in the office, at home, or in the field, everything you need is at your fingertips. Streamline the design process and get professional results in record time. Integrate your favorite design tools. Increase your productivity. Share your designs and collaborate. With DraftSight, you can easily bring your designs to life. Seamlessly transition from other CAD applications. Harness a robust, fast, diverse platform to unlock your creativity for any industry. Your design, your choice, your CAD. DraftSight. Learn more and buy now. DraftSight.com.